Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Another hands-on with BLG. I'm BLG. I'm Lefty. I'm Righty. Hello. It's bright and early in the morning, as the puppy dogs wish. We've finally got the damn house put together. The gingerbread house, that is. And I'll give you a look at it here. We're going to smack some stuff on it today and call it done, I guess. I'm choking to death because it's early in the morning. Here's that side. Pretty cool. And you get this side there. This is the front. See, it's got an overhang a little bit. Well, supposed to. Look back. That side there. And that side there. You might notice the chimney is gone because it didn't work out, so I threw it away. Couldn't get it trimmed that fat out without breaking it. So there's a piece of sausage right here, if you can see it. Can you see the piece of sausage for the chimney? Yes, you can. It's right there. Right there. But anyways, I'm going to smack some little baby M&Ms. I'm going to smack some icing on it. Again. This time, I'm going to do the whole roof, I think. Make it look like it snowed on the house. Just a light coating here. Nothing super fancy. I guess I'm slathering it. Snow doesn't get fancy. Why should I? Coffee pot's making weird sounds. Dun dun dun. Smearing on some icing, making it look like it snowed some, or at least tried to snow. Maybe a little bit of heat's melted some of it off. Smather some of this here, some of this over here, like so. Give this a stir. There we go. Smather a little bit here, a little bit there, a little bit there. Just gonna smother it on icing and stuff onto the roof. Get on the roof. Smathering on some snow. You can even drip down a little bit. I don't really see a problem with that. Get some here, go there, like so. See? Snow on the roof. That's what I'm going to call it. It was a little crooked right here, but I cut it off with a steak knife after it set up overnight. I just cut it off. Just level it out. If it gets a little crooked, let it set, don't worry about it, and hack away the parts that are crooked. And then disguise them the best you can with icing and decoration. Smather some snow here and some snow there. Like I said, I don't care if it covers all the way. As long as I get some stickiness on here, I'll be happy with that. And slatherings like this. Slathering like that. Slather like this, like this, slathering some snow up on the roof, like this here. That's good. more up in here. Uh-oh. The Whippy's out there growling like the dog.
Because of the dogs.
She's growling because of the dogs. Stewie, I must have pooped at the front door again. Nice. There we go. I think that looks pretty cool. Scrape up a little bit of this extra here. Oh God, it's all the way down the house on this one. Of course that doesn't really matter, I guess. I'll leave some of them. Just trim them back. That looks kind of cool. There we go. I'm no decorator, folks, that's for sure. But look at that. It's looking like something. It's too wet yet to stick anything on it, which is alright with me. I'm going to come down here, get me a little line of these going here, like this. Get that all damped up again, like that. I'm going to come down this way. Get all this corner damped up. One more time again. Like this. Okay. I'm gonna, with this corner, I keep moving this so you can't see probably, but I'm really just smearing icing anyway. I'm not great at it. Putting this up here like this, a little bit like that, in the corner there. I'm just going over these corner seams again. So I'm going to put the crease moss lights on the house. Little baby M&M crease moss lights. Smack this on here like that. Just to get some stickiness on there. No, that's pretty cool. Enough. Okay. Set that there. Oop. Snow beeth running down the back of the house again. I don't want it all the way down. Like I said, I'm got windows and stuff to make. Well, I'll try to make. So I'm just smacking this thing together. You can take all the time you want on it. I'm in a hurry, man. I got places to go, man. This is what, day 3, 4, 3? Day 3, I think. La 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 la. Okay. Now I got all these little bitty M&Ms. I'm gonna start sticking some on the roof, like this. Bam. Bam. Just kind of putting some here and there. Here's a brown Christmas light. I don't care. They make them, I think. There's a red one. There's another yellow one. Stick on some crease moss lights. There's a blue one. Good thing about this, folks, when we get done with this, the rest are mine. Whoa, hey, get away from me. That one got away. Let's put a green one right here. Red one, no, we'll do another one of these. I don't really care what colors. I'm just looking kind of for the brighter ones. But you want to put a dark one in there once in a while. Get it like that. There's an orange one. Orange. Orange, orange. It wants to stick to me now instead of the stupid house. So orange, orange. There we go. Blue. Let's stick them on here. This. Another yellow one. As long as I got something on here to cover the gap up. Not gap really. Well, it is. It's the roof line. Huh. This is going to go pretty quick, I guess. Weird looking tiny little thing. Another yellow one here. And a blue one right there by the chimney. Cool, man. Now will they come down the sides? Yes. They will. Nice. See, I'm going to stick them here. Here. They won't stick. Why won't you stick? Here, let's hit it again. I could have swore I put some icing up here. There we go. We'll work our way this way now. Red. I'm just going to put all these dots on here. Basically all there is to it, folks. Make sure you got just enough icing, it'll stick. And stick them up. Stick them up. Little Christmas lights on the little house. Gonna look cool and stuff. Some darker ones with that one. It's a very dark run. There's a green one too. That's already got a green one. Here, we'll put this brown one here. Right. And a blue one here. Nice. Okay. I'm going to try to come down the other side of the house. There's a green. And a yellow. Like that. There's a dark brown one. I don't have any other colors in my hand. There's an orange. Just sticking them on here, making them look cool. Cool. Red. Orange, I guess. One side to go with it. Okay, what's that? That'll work. Stick that one up here. Stick on these things. There's a blue one. I want a yellow one for the end. Yellow one. And turn the corner with an orange. And I'm going to go blue and green right there. And a brown one. Brown Christmas light. Far out. Orange again. A red one. Like that. Back to a blue. Stick them on here. Green. Yellow. Brown again. Because why not? Another blue. I want an orange one. There. Getting there. Another green one. That's about all I've got left. Another brown one. Another yellow one. Looks good. Trying to get some variety in the colors. There's a red one. There we go. Orange. Well, let's go blue because it stuck first. Orange. They're starting to follow me. Please, oh, you go up here again. They're kind of sliding a little bit. Push them back up. There we go. Those ought to stay where I put them. I hope. Green. And that's another green and a brown. There. Okay. I'll say it's still just a bit early to stick these on. They're sliding a little. Just keep pushing them back up, I guess. A fan would really be cool. I think. Oh God, get back up there. I'm going to make a mess. Come on, get up there and stick. Get back up there and stay. Get up there and stay. If they stay just long enough, I can pause this camera and come back, but I don't think they're going to stay long enough for me to pause. Maybe I can. Not pause, but stop it. Okay, we'll be back when this sets up a little bit more. I'll finish putting them on. You know basically how to do it anyway. See, this looks like this. Then you stick these little guys on here, little Christmas lights. Nothing much to it. And I'll finish them up and then I'll show you when I get done. That'll work. So we'll see you in just a while. And I'll show you the finished thing. And I'll do the windows. Well, there you have it, folks. BLG's Christmassy holiday season made from scratch gingerbread house. I present to you. I got it decorated. Wow, you missed all the Christmas cussing and swearing. Lots of damn it's and shit and no, god damn it, no. Stupid I think. But it worked. Look, if you see here and here, I put little wreaths on the house. Yes, check it out. This is the front house. Orange front door. See? Little orange front door on him. Like that there. Let me zoom out. One more zoom out. There you go. Little orange front door. And a blue doorknob. There's a window, and a window. The two wreaths. Got snow on the roof and the little Christmassy lights coming down the sides. There's that side. If I turn it this way, well, you just got your, this is the other side of the house. Got a picture window. This is where the, like, dining room, living room combo is. Got a picture window, your upstairs windows, and your attic vent window. And here's the back of the house, like this, which is your basic kitchen and whatever, living room, and two upstairs bedrooms. The bathroom's right here in the middle. Yes, it's a two-story. This thing is a monster. It's big. It's pretty damn big. And there's your basic other side of the house with your two window things and your attic vent and your little sausage chimney. So there you have it, folks. Let me see if you got you pointing at me right, because I keep looking at the ceiling where I don't really have to. Well, you don't have to. But yes, there's the Christmas house. My homemade from scratch gingerbread house. I really hoped you liked this little short series. I had fun with it. It is a bit of a pain in the ass. I'm not sure I'll do it again, to be honest, but next year is a whole year away. And I saved I saved the patterns that I made. So I might make a smaller house next year, make it shorter, one level. Might do that. But it was fun. And I got all these extra little M&Ms. The hardest part was sorting all the colors for the yellow, for the windows and the door. But I get all these for myself. So anyways, that is it for this episode of Hands On with BLG. The entire friggin' series of this is done. Let me see, something about size comparison. Let me show you the size of this before I leave. Here, I can pick it up. Look at this thing next to my head. That is a big, look at this. It's big. It's heavy too. But there you have it. From Hands On with BLG. For BLG on BLG, I'm Lefty. I'm Righty. And I'm a Christmassy house. Have a good holidays, people. Make one of these. I guarantee you will be the most frustrated and pissed off drunk that you've ever seen in your life. You'll shock yourself. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you back here for the next exciting episode, Hands On with BLG. Click the like buttons. Me likey, clicky like button. Click it. Do it now. It's right there below you. And subscribe right up, I think up here. Somewhere up there. Subscribe. And if you want to, ring the little bell. And you'll get notifications when old BLG is getting ornery again. Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you next video.